Today I finished up over $6,000 for the day. As you can see on the screen, I took 3 trades, 3 wins, so very pleased about that. I'm going to cover the Tesla trade first so I don't have to go back and forth. I did take Tesla puts at 11.23, which is right here. This is the opening right around 440 area, and it had a massive run up to the 458. So almost had a $17 run, and it started to look like it was stalling out. And when it got underneath 454, that's when I decided to grab puts, because Tesla is notorious for giving back a lot of its gains after a massive pop in the morning. So I didn't this time, but it did drop a little bit. But once it got underneath 454, I grabbed the 450 puts at 8.35, and then from 8.35 to $9. Not much of a play. Then it ended up going up, so it did not give it back this time, but usually it does. The other play I took was I took calls at 9.50 right down here. SPY, another thing it loves to do. We have this first green candle, faked out higher day. The first 10-minute green candle was over $2. I don't like playing after a 10-minute candle is $2 plus. It just doesn't have continuation. And this is proof of that right here. It popped a little bit, then it dropped, and then I put another $2 candle in right here, right at lower day. I jumped in. I grabbed calls right off the bat, right as soon as it made new lower day. I grabbed the 66.65 calls at $10, and they went from 10 to 14.90 on that pop right there. So it ended up being a really good play, and they ended up going a lot further than that. But then I just waited it out. But I did finally take puts at 245. I mean, I wasn't chasing this. It just felt, government shutdown. Usually when a government has a shutdown, the market does manage to have a green day. I do pretty good, but I was not expecting a run like this. And I did grab puts end of day right at 245, which is rate 245. Right here, right when I got up to the 669 area, right around in here, I grabbed the 67.15 puts at 340. It bounced around a little bit, then it finally dropped, and then went from 340 to 470. Not much of a drop, but it did get a little bit more of a drop end of day, but it is what it is. I'm not going to complain. If you want to know more about my plays or what I'm doing, you can find my link in my bio, or just go to optionslotos.com, and it will take you there too. Thanks for watching.